Hi, today I'm going to introduce you about my bookshelf, which I've created in my Notion page. You can store all types of book, journal, and thesis paper we've read in this page. And by today's video, I want to give you some ideas of how to use relation and roll-up function too. I will be using relation between my bookshelf and quote zip here, and roll-up function in this quote zip page to count how many numbers of quotes we've extracted. For your information, the books will be sorted in descending order based on the read date. So now let me begin. So if you open the card block in the gallery view, you'll be seeing the 6 properties here. The first one will be author. You can write down the author's name. Second one will be the read on, so you can choose the date that you have read the book. Third one will be genre. Choose the genre of the book that you've read, and there will be a status, so you can choose status between to read, reading, and finish. The fifth one will be the quote extraction. This is the relation function. You can add function. I'll be explaining this in detail soon. And this will be quote summary, automatically counting the number of quotes that you have extracted from that specific book. And this is by the roll-up function. The last one will be the language. You can choose between English and other language. You can add other language here too. I've added this property because I am reading both the English book and Korean book. Of course, you can customize this page by adding more properties or deleting some properties like language if you don't need it. Okay, so next will be about the quote relating function. I've added this function because when I'm reading the book, I sometimes want to record these nice sentences so I can refer it back when I want to. To extract quotes, there are 2 ways to add it. Oh, by the way, this quote extraction is linked to quote zip here. Again, this is another page. Click the card block of the book that you want to add the quote. From quote extraction, please select quotes. I've already added this quote here to show a demonstration, but in case if you need to create a new block, then copy the sentence and paste it here, the content of the quote, and you will be able to see the create new page. But since I've already created a block, let me just add it here. Now one quote block is successfully added, and this quote summary is counting 1 because there's only one quote. Another way to quote is to adding it through this quote zip page. Please open this and relate it to my bookshelf. Okay, this is extracted from Dead Poets Society, so click it. Done. If you return back to Notion's bookshelf and see here, okay, now you can see this 2 is added. And to show you how to add quotes by creating a new block, just go here and click on quote extraction. If you want to add a very new quotes, add the sentence here, and you'll be able to see this create a new page. Click it, and it's done. I hope this would be useful for those who also need some templates like this. And coming back to main page, as you can see, the default version is in gallery view, but if you change to status, then you can read the status of the book. You can check the book that you have to read, the book that you're reading, and the book that you finish reading. And here is the call out block. I have written the nice quotes related about reading books, but of course you can change it if you have better words. It is totally up to you. And at the right side of the page, there is some information guide that you can refer, so please check it out. It's about and tips and user guide. Also, as always, I am going to share this template for free. I'll leave the template link at the comment box below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.